Good morning students, welcome to your science class. My name is Rupali Rajawat and I am your science teacher. Today we will continue this chapter number 8, cell structure and function. In this chapter we have already completed more than 2-3 topics and today we will start from page number 116. I already explained you the different types of cells which are present in animal, and see the picture, the different types of cell which are present in plant. See, the xylem cell is different from the other plant cell. Okay, now in multicellular organism the shape and the size of the cell is depend upon the function of the tissue. Okay, now the unit of measuring the cells, the smallest unit is micron and the biggest unit is centimeter. Okay, in the animals or in the human being, the nerve cell goes up to 20 centimeter. That's why we are saying that the nerve cell is our longest cell in the human body, and nerve cells is also known as a neuron. Now, as we already know that in a egg only one kind of cell is present and the diameter of that egg is 4 to 5 centimeter. Because of the presence of only one kind of cell, the egg is known as a unicellular or the singular or the single cell. Okay, now take the example of the ostrich egg. Ostrich egg are big in size, but only one kind of cell is present in ostrich, and the weight of the egg of the ostrich is 1.25 kg because it is the biggest bird in the world, and the diameter of the egg of ostrich egg is 15 centimeter. Okay, now in multicellular plant, we know that the plants are multicellular because like human being, in plants also so many kinds of cells are present. I already told you, when the one single cell is present, then we are say that this thing is unicellular in nature, and when more than one cells are present, then we can say that this thing is multicellular in nature. Okay, now the cell in a leaf are green, means the cell which are present in the leaf, they are green in color. And what is the function of these cells? The function of these cell is to help in the functioning of leaf. And what is the function of leaf? The function of leaf is to prepare the food for the plant, or the function of the leaf is to do the process of photosynthesis by which the plant are able to prepare their food, and during this the stomata are continuously working. But have you seen the picture of stoma? You have seen the two kinds of cell are present. The one is left side and the one is right side, and in the between the stoma is present. The two kinds of cell which is present in the left and right side of the cell, they are known as a guard cells. And what is the function of that guard cell? The functioning of stomata are depend on that guard cell, means the stomata are open and closed due to the presence of guard cells. Okay, now second point is the root. The root is a part of a plant which is below the soil, and the function of root is to provide or is to circulate the water and mineral to the other part of a plant. And in the root only one kind of cell is present, that is known as a xylem, and xylem is responsible for circulating the water and mineral to the other part of a plant, and xylem always follow only the one direction, that is downward to upward. Okay, now the another cell which is present in the plant, that is known as a phloem, which is present in the stem. And what is the function of phloem? The phloem function is that is to provide the food to the other part of the plant, but the direction of the phloem is two directional. Either it is goes upward or it is goes downward. From where the requirement of the food is there, at that part of the plant the phloem are able to transfer the food. It doesn't matter it is upward or downward. Now in multicellular, the third point is that the cortex of the root and the stem include or made up of a soft cell. The surface of a plant is made up of a soft cell. Okay, soft kind of cells are present. After that, in multicellular animal, so many kinds of cells are present. Like आपका आ जाता है epithelial cell. See, this is our skin. This skin is made up of epithelial cell. We are able to touch the skin. We are able to sense anything on the skin, and this is the kind of cells which are present in our skin, and the cells which are held to form the skin is known as a epithelial cell. After that आपका second cell आ जाता है blood cell. The blood cell are responsible for the formation of blood. थर्ड वन है आपका स्पर्म सेल. स्पर्म सेल इज ओनली प्रेजेंट इन द रिप्रोडक्टिव पार्ट ऑफ अ मेल एंड sperm is only present in the male organ. Okay, it is a kind of cell which is not present in the female. Okay, after that glandular cell. Glandular cell are also present in our body. Fourth one is a muscle cell. Muscle cell is a kind of cell which is present in our muscles. Bone cell is a kind of cell which is present in our bone, and nerve cell is a kind of cell which is present in our nerve, which is known as a neuron. Neuron is the longest cell, and after that आपका जाता है egg cells and other. These are the kind of cells which are present in our body and due to which we are able to perform any kind of function. Now different level of organization in multicellular organism. In multicellular organism, so many different kinds of cells are present. The first one is a I already told you, when the cell are combined together, then they are forming the tissue. When the tissue are combined together, then they are forming the organs. When the organs are combined together, they are forming the organ system. And when all the organ system are combined together, they are forming the, what they are forming? They are forming the organism. When all the organ system are combined together, they are forming the organism. Okay. Now cell structure and function. We are in the next class, we will study the cell structure and function, the plant cell structure and the animal cell structure, and what are the different parts are present in both the cells and what are the function of these parts. We will study in the next video. Before that, if you are having any doubt in this video, then you will allow to ask during your live classes, but it is very much compulsory that you have to watch this video, and if you are having any doubt, then you will ask to me. Okay, now thank you everyone.